Hello explorers, today we'll discuss subject-verb agreement errors, one of the most common mistakes in English. The team are playing well today. A collective noun like team is singular, so it should pair with is, not are. So the correct sentence would be the team is playing well today. This rule applies to other collective nouns as well, like family or group. Coming on to the next example, each of the students have a book. When using each, always pair it with a singular verb, even though it refers to multiple individuals. So the correct sentence would be each of the student has a book. Last but not the least, the books on the shelf needs dusting. The subject books is plural, so it requires the plural verb need, not needs. So the correct sentence would be the books on the shelf need dusting. Always match the verb to the main subject, not the words in between. These small adjustments ensure your sentences are grammatically accurate. Keep practicing and you will improve in no time. Thank you.